1 pot creamy mushroom pasta recipe. Time 25 minutes. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons 10 milliliters vegetable oil, 2 large shallots, finely chopped, 6 cloves garlic, minced, 1 fresh red chilli, finely minced, 2 cups 500 milliliters vegetable broth, 1 can 400 milliliters coconut milk, light or full, we used full, 4 cups 400 grams mushrooms sliced thinly, we used a mix of cremini and oyster, 4 cups 14 ounces 400 grams dried pasta, use gluten-free if preferred. We used fusilli, 1/4 cup 30 grams sun-dried tomato, from a jar, coarsely chopped, 2 tablespoons 10 grams nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters sodium reduced soy sauce, 1 teaspoon 4 grams ground paprika, freshly cracked black pepper and salt to taste, 2 big handfuls 100 grams spinach. Optional garnish: lemon wedges, fresh basil, thinly sliced, red child flakes. Directions: 1. In a large pot on high heat, cook onions and garlic and chili in oil for about 3 minutes, adding a splash of water as needed to deglaze the pan. 2. Add remaining ingredients except for the spinach, bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer with the lid partially covering. Stir occasionally to prevent burning. 3. When pasta is al dente, about 12 to 15 minutes, remove from the heat and add in the spinach. Stir to combine. 4. Squeeze on some fresh lemon juice, sprinkle on thinly sliced basil leaves or some red chili flakes if preferred. Notes: storage: keep in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Variations: add in some diced red pepper, artichoke, or fresh tomatoes. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.